Stable viewing platform due to extra strength, 10-inch arm, 13 total height, simple to install, adjustable base fits perfectly. Base can fit vehicle cup holders from 2.86 inches up to 3.47 inches. 13.5 inches refers to the extended arm, fully erected, protective, soft holder, grip/backing will not scratch your device, flexible, 360-degree rotational capability from Cradle. Securely mount your tablet on the go with the Cellet tablet cup holder mount with 360-degree rotation. This cup holder mount is equipped with a heavy-duty adjustable base. Simply place the base into the cup holder, turn dial to extend wings to fit into cup holder if needed, then place your tablet onto the mount. Cellet tablet mount and holder is equipped with soft holder grips/back to protect your tablet from any scratches. Top reviews from the United States. I use this to hold my large iPad with case, which I use daily as a FedEx driver for navigation. Depending on the cup holder, most GMC/Ford 12 feet to 16 foot box trucks have the mount holds well and best by far, as I've tried many others which break easily and fall over due to the weight of my iPad, which I can't have happen while driving. Also, the truck I use has horrible suspension, so it's a bumpy ride almost always, and this still stays in place great. The first one of these I bought did eventually snap. Since it's plastic, I was honestly surprised it lasted over 6 months of use.